Big news, guys, big news. Gather around, gather around. Get your family, get your family. Triumph have released a new battery charger. That's right, that's right, that is. So if you're going for a Gen 4 Tiger or any of the newer Triumph bikes, you'll know that they come now with lithium-ion batteries. And your old Optimate 2 ain't gonna do nothing.
Optimate 3, man.
So the new one from Triumph, you'll probably pay a couple of euros extra for a nice box, but it is a nice box. We'll do obviously AGM batteries, standard batteries and gel batteries, but it'll also now do lithium-ion batteries. I just picked one of these up for about 79 euros, something like that. I think they're about 64 pounds in the UK. So there we have it. I just got to buy a bike with a lithium battery now. No, I'm not doing an unboxing. Do you think people don't know how to open a box? Let's have a look inside anyway. Oh, so you are doing an unboxing? No, I'll cut this bit. Like the other Optimates, you get a cable you can stick on the battery. You can get a permanent cable that you can put on your battery for charging into that. And directly out from the charger, if I can get it off. Oh, it's always lovely Triumph brand. But directly out from the charger, you've got this SAE connector. So for the Triumph Tiger, the front DIN port plug, has one of these. And it's a Triumph accessory, but it's actually from Optimate. So then you can just plug in, if I move that away, you'll see, you can just plug in your Optimate charger, yeah, directly into your front DIN port, and that's where your battery tender can go. They're both Triumph part numbers, so get one of these along with one of these, but I already had one, so I didn't have to, if you know what I mean. So, Triumph front DIN port, you don't have to wire this to the battery. It's just another thing you don't have to do. It's great. And these from my last Optimate, I don't think I've used them once. They're quite handy for charging the battery or maintaining the battery if you want to keep it off the bike. How much do these cost to run a year? Well, Optimate reckon £1, let's call that €1.20 a year if you left it plugged in permanently. But with the invasion of Ukraine and everything like that, that's probably going to be about €400 a year to maintain your bike's battery. So battery's in good health. That looks like that LED's on, but that's only because of my camera. It's not actually on. So it's just giving the battery a bit of a charge by the looks of it. The LEDs are dead obvious on this. Green have got power. The exclamation mark, if this comes up in any color, you got a problem. That shows me charging, and that key there, it's giving me the voltage or where the battery voltage is at the moment. And once it's fully up to charge, this green LED will light here. So not much to it really. This warning light here will start indicating if you have a problem, maybe a down cell or something like that. You can see in the manual, it gives you the voltages. If that light comes on, it thinks there's a down cell, and it's giving you an indication of what voltage that will be at. Now notice it's different for the lithium-ion and the lead acid and AGM and standard batteries. There, normal state of affairs. Yeah, buy it from a Triumph dealer and you won't pay postage, and you can have it today. That's only if they're close, mind. But if they're not, it's a great excuse to go out for a bike ride. God, that was boring, wasn't it? Yeah, fucking hell, boring as fuck.